So, diving into this content, it really spans the whole spectrum of alternative healing, from remote viewing and muscle alignment techniques to energy medicine and even advanced electromagnetism based therapies. It's
Hmm.
like an encyclopedia of holistic approaches, covering everything from clinical studies supporting pulsed electromagnetic fields in treating fractures to revolutionary methods like egg elixir and even devices like the magic mat.
Yeah, it's quite extensive. What really struck me is how the author ties remote viewing into this whole healing protocol, merging ancient modalities with modern biofeedback and even quantum theories.
Exactly. It's fascinating how he shows that remote viewing isn't just for espionage but can be repurposed for healing, almost like using the mind's visual insight as a diagnostic tool. It's like you're listening to your body's energy patterns to locate blockages, then applying techniques to restore balance.
Right. And the integration of stress reduction methods like deep breathing or even progressive muscle relaxation really supports the idea that the mind body connection is core to all this. You can see a scientific basis emerging from studies on chi and morphic fields, affirming what many ancient traditions have long believed.
Yeah, and let's not forget the practical applications. So many clinical studies discussed show benefits ranging from faster wound healing with PEMF therapy to improvements in conditions like arthritis, even some cases on Parkinson's. It's like the author is saying that our cells have their own energy batteries that need recharging.
I get that, but don't you think the link between, remote viewing and these measurable physiological changes might need more rigorous control? Sometimes the claims seem a bit extraordinary.
I can see that. There's a respectful challenge there for sure. While the clinical studies on PEMF and energy supplements like egg elixir are promising, the connection to remote viewing does stretch conventional science. But um, the author makes his case by tying historical healing practices with new research, and he's, well, very data driven in his approach.
True. And then there's the part about the magic mat and its blend of jade, tourmaline, infrared light, and negative ions to boost overall well being. It's a melding of traditional mineral lore with modern electromagnetic research.
Absolutely. It's a holistic integration that uses both subjective experiences and measurable outcomes. It's like saying seeing is healing, not just metaphorically, but in a practical, energetic sense, where when your body's energy is realigned, you really do feel younger and more balanced.
Yeah, and that resonates with the idea that healing is as much about changing your internal dialogue as it is about physical treatment. It highlights an approach that's empowering, encouraging patients to, mediate, breathe, and reconnect with their own energy.
Right? It's all about breaking old patterns and embracing a more dynamic view of health, where the mind, energy flow, and body work in synchrony. Even if some of the details might seem unconventional, they offer a new perspective on bridging science with intuitive healing.
Totally. So, whether you're curious about remote viewing as a tool for energy diagnosis or the science behind anti aging supplements, there's a lot here to explore and discuss further.